You thought you knew? What is it that you thought that you knew? You're going to learn today. We're coming to you from Cleveland Power and Performance. Hi! Cleveland Power and Performance. What do you know about our Redeye style? Because what we have for you today: Dodge Charger Donor, full donor car. 797 horsepower Dodge Charger Redeye engine. Big Brembo brakes. But have you seen inside? Pedal shifters to take all your abuse. Navigation radio with all the bells and whistles. Full leather interior. Supple and firm. Walk with me and take a look around this vehicle. Slaps roof! Do not disrespect your Mopar project. Call us today to buy a donor car. This donor has been sold, and purchased by your mortal enemy. The only way to redeem your family's name is to give me a call! 866-236-5031. We are chopping the difficulty out of sourcing all the parts for a swap, and making it real easy to swap everything over from the Hellcat. Liu Kang, Wu-Tang. So now, for your viewing pleasure, we will give you a Shaolin smoke show. Cause you know and I know there is no loss of power here.
Toasty!